Hi, I'm Phoebe Howard.
And I'm Nellie Howard Ossie, and we are the designers for Flower Magazine's Palmetto Bluff Showhouse. We were really excited to take on this project together. It's a mother-daughter design collaboration, and we've had so much fun working together.
So we drew our inspiration from the natural beauty of Palmetto Bluff and the Low Country. The Low Country is one of the prettiest places on earth if you've ever been there. You know, you've got the marshes, it's so green, it's so lush. We didn't want anything to detract from the spectacular view out of the back of this house, so we chose a fairly neutral interior that relied heavily on texture. The overall aesthetic of the house has a Belgian feeling, so we complemented that with our furniture and fabric choices. And there are natural timbers, stone, plaster finishes throughout that are very complementary to the natural linen schemes that we used in our decorating.
We are so excited to bring this project to you and to share our creative vision.
2021, the year of the home office. We are putting home offices in every house that we're doing right now, and I think it's smart. If you decide you don't want it, you can always convert it to a bunk room or something later. This one has two big desks inside of it, which is great for spreading out, and a beautiful window to check out the view. It's filled with light. It's a great little room to work in all day. This is our Pablo chair from Mr. and Mrs. Howard for Sherrill. Most people think of this as a dining chair, but I think it makes a wonderful desk chair too. I think it's just a great way to play around with some fabric and get a little bit more softness in the room. Look at this cute hourglass table lamp from Currey and Company. You can use this to time your Zoom calls and know when it's time to get off.